Welcome to Binance Academy. Today we will be looking at how margin trading works on the Binance platform. When compared to regular trading accounts, margin accounts give traders access to greater sums of capital, allowing them to leverage their positions. In cryptocurrency markets, margin trading should be approached more carefully due to the high level of risk involved. Now, let's open a margin trading account. First of all, log into your Binance account. Assuming that you already have completed KYC and activated 2FA, which is mandatory for opening a margin account, navigate to the exchange button and click on margin. An important reminder about risks of margin trading will appear where you usually have your order types. Once ready, click on Open Margin Account. Read carefully the margin account agreement and confirm that you agree with the terms and conditions. Now we have an active margin account and can proceed with transferring funds. The margin trading layout is very similar to the regular exchange. However, next to order types, you can also see the new features, your risk level, and the option to transfer and borrow assets. By clicking on transfer, you can move coins from your exchange wallet to your margin wallet without any fees. Choose the coin. In our case, we will use BTC. Enter the amount of 0.01 and confirm the transfer. Now that we have an available balance in our margin wallet, we can use it as collateral to borrow funds. Let's see how it works. First, click on Borrow. Your margin wallet balance determines the amount of funds you can borrow following a fixed 3-to-1 ratio, meaning that if you have 1 BTC, you can borrow 2 more. In our example, we will borrow 0.02 BTC. Be aware that hourly interest rates may change from time to time, so you can find the most up-to-date interest rates on this page. As mentioned earlier, the maximum borrow amount is 2 times more than the amount you have in your margin wallet, and we want to borrow 100% of the allowed amount. So let's confirm. Now you will be able to trade the borrowed funds while having a debt of 0.02 BTC plus the interest rate. Before we start trading, it's important to understand the margin level, which gives you a risk level according to the borrowed funds and to the funds you hold as collateral on your margin account wallet. The risk level changes according to the market movements. If your margin level drops to 1.3, you will receive a margin call, which is a reminder that you should either increase your collateral by depositing more funds or reduce your loan by repaying what you've borrowed. If your margin level drops to 1.1, your assets will be automatically liquidated, meaning that Binance will sell your funds at market price to repay the loan. Note that in case you are liquidated, you will be charged extra fees. Now, let's go to the exchange and buy some BNB with borrowed funds. Open the Margin tab, choose Market Order Type, enter the amount, and click on Buy BNB. Great, we've purchased 10 amount of BNB. When you've made some profits and sold 10 BNB for a higher price, you can repay the borrowed amount. To do that, click on Borrow and navigate to the Repay tab. Click on it. Here you can see your total debt that is 0.02 BTC plus interest. Enter the amount you want to repay and confirm payment. If you want to sell your funds with margin, click on Transfer. Choose the preferred coin, enter the amount, and confirm. Now that we have 5 BNB in our margin wallet, we can borrow 10 more and open a sell order for 15 BNB. Let's choose Market Order. Enter the amount and click on Sell BNB. If the BNB price drops, you can use the amount of BTC that you've received for selling 15 BNB to buy more BNB. Then you can repay the 10 BNB you borrowed and keep the profit. If you wish to move your funds back from the margin wallet to your regular Binance wallet, click on Transfer and use the button in between the two wallets to change the direction of the transfer. Next, select the coin, amount, and click on Confirm Transfer. You can transfer your funds freely from one wallet to another without any fees. But note that if you currently have assets borrowed, your risk level will increase as the funds on your margin wallet decreases. If your risk level gets too high, there's a chance of your assets being liquidated. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful and you enjoyed watching it. Binance. Exchange the world.